We're taking a walk in beautiful downtown Yerevan. It seems to be off season, but it's still very active, very full of people. It's mid-November. There's construction everywhere. Things are happening. Don't know if I'll post this or not, but it's so fun. Look at this restaurant. The spider. Let's go this way. Actually, we are looking for a shoe repair person, which used to be in this alley. Let's see if we can find him. This is a back alley. But we know these places, we grew up here. Shoe repair used to be very popular, not so nowadays as everybody's wearing sneakers and, you know, unrepairable stuff. But still worth to try. A huge new beautiful building is being built. There is a construction boom. A secret parking spot, I guess. How are they going to get out? No idea. And where is the shoe business? Now we took care of the shoe business and now walking up Abovian Street. This is a famous bookstore slash cafe, Artsbridge. Very good food. Scooter rides in downtown, you can get one easily. It's very lively for this time of day and for this time of year.
Well, it's good weather.
It's probably 50 degrees Fahrenheit, but it was sunny today, so very nice, dry, pleasant. Lots of brand stores here. Hotel Ani. Probably not a hotel anymore. I'm not sure. Yeah, we're still on Abovian Street. Upper parts of it. You can see the statue far away. The Mother Armenia. We're going to cross this block of streets underground. So let's go down. It's a shopping center. This was built probably in 2005 to 7. Remember? Oh, it smells something very nice, meaty and another princess here. They are not just in my office. It's clean and nice. And here is a discount store. LC Waikiki. Ice creams. Oczywiście, you need to go up, but not this is a stage. There are lots of concerts happening here. Yeah, we need to go up, but from the behind. A very nice cafe here too. We've been here many times. Yeah, let's go up. Sporting goods store, very good one. Now we need to turn left and get out from there. Some fast food here. Actually, Mr. Gyros is not too bad. Here, right here? No. Okay, we can do it there too. Armenian products. The reason we are walking here, we need to pick up my eyeglasses. The bus stop here, busy. Off. Cat, poor Ben. Coffee shop. Look at these beautiful trees here. Here? This one? Yeah, we're headed here.